Welcome to my channel. Today I will going to show you how to declare abstract class, how to declare abstract method, and how to implement abstract methods of an abstract class inside a concrete class. We use an Eclipse ID, so let's create an abstract class named animal, and we're going to have two non-abstract classes, which is lion and a dog. So we're going to have an abstract method inside the animal class, and we're going to implement that abstract method inside the non-abstract class. So let's create an abstract class right here. So let me give a name, animal1. Animal1, that we're going to take abstract keyword right here. So here is the syntax of an abstract class. So I will going to create an abstract method right here. This is access modifier. This is abstract keyword, which makes a class an abstract. This is a keyword. This is a class name. So as an abstract class can be used as a blueprint in which an abstract class will going to extend it, and we're going to implement all the abstract methods of the abstract class. So I can have an abstract method right here. Let me use a keyword abstract void and sound. It's just a method name sound. So I have an abstract method right here. So I will going to implement this abstract method inside the non-abstract classes. So I will going to create another class right here, class lion. Let me use lion. I will make it non-abstract. So here extends animal1. So since animal1 has has abstract method, so I have to implement all the abstract methods. So I will going to override it. So here I will going to do the implementation right here, so that the lion sound is roar. So I will going to use CSO control space roar and lion sound is roar. Okay, so I can be able to implement the abstract methods of the abstract class, which is animal1. So I can have another non-abstract class. Let me create a class which is dog. Okay, class dog. So dog extends animal1. Then I will going to override it. Yes, right here. See, so the dog's sound is bark. Okay, now all the class that I create are the Java class. They don't have a main method, so I will going to create another class which has a main method. So let me create another class right here, which is class, and I will give a class name which is animal sound. Then I will take this one to first to add the public main method. So right here I can create an object of those non-abstract classes. If a class is abstract, we cannot be able to instantiate. So I will going to have an object of animal, the animals lion and dog. So I will going to create an object right here, lion. Let me make L1 new lion. Yes, here I'm just creating an object of lion, let me dog object name, let me use d1 new dog. So okay, I have an object of dog is quite right here. I see here an object of lion. So after this, I can be able to invoke the method sound. So let me use L1 dot, where is sound? Right here. I'm just invoking the sound method. Okay, the next d1 dot sound. So let me run this program. Here is the output. Here is the output. Here is the output. Lion sound is roar and dog sound is bark. So this is all about how to create an abstract class and abstract method, as well as how to implement the abstract methods of an abstract class. So when we implement the abstract methods of an abstract class, we have to make sure that return type, the number of parameters, and the method name should have to be exactly the same as which is defined in the abstract methods of an abstract class. So right here, I don't have a void return type, and I don't have a method name which is sound, and the method is with no parameters, so I don't have to define it exactly in the non-abstract method. So it's all about the today's lesson. So if you are new to this channel, like, subscribe, and share, and tick the notification bell, so you will going to be notified when I will going to upload new portions of this Java programming lesson. So thanks for listening.